Achoo! Whoa! My nose just exploded.
Bless you, Chompy.
Did I just blow up my brain? Is it gone? Tell me the truth.
Relax, Drama Candy. You just sneezed.
But why? I was just smelling roses.
Sneezing is your body's superhero move.
You mean I'm a nose ninja?
Exactly. When dust or pollen gets into your nose, it tickles your nostrils and your brain says, eject.
So, my brain is launching snot missiles to protect me.
Gross but true. Sneezing kicks out the bad stuff.
That's so cool. Wait, achoo!
I think your nose needs a vacation.
Or a tiny umbrella. Can you imagine nose hats?
The new fashion, nose hats by Chompy.
With anti-sneeze shields and built-in tissue dispensers.
Now you're sneezing with style.
Bunny Boo, you're the best. I learned something and got to gross you out.
Learning with snot. Classic Chompy.
Dr. Sneeze is in the house.
Achoo, doctor. Now take 2 giggles and call me in the morning. Sneezing is your body's way of staying safe and clean. Even funny things have smart reasons behind them. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching this video.